You may never have heard of Dana Nessel. She's the highly partisan, not especially bright Attorney General of the state of Michigan. Nessel ran for office 2 years ago with an ad, we're not making this up, bragging that she, quote, doesn't have a penis. That's the kind of person she is. She's divisive, she's a buffoon. Unfortunately, Dana Nessel has power now, and she's set about abusing it in the most un-American possible ways. Michigan cities are some of the most violent places in the Western Hemisphere. As the state's chief law enforcement officer, you'd think Dana Nessel might work on that. But no, she spent her time trying to shut down Catholic charities for being pro-life. One of her cases against the church was so transparently unconstitutional that a federal judge accused Nessel of committing, quote, a targeted attack on a sincerely held religious belief. Then, when citizens in Michigan protested their governor's absurdly partisan COVID lockdowns, abortion clinics and her husband were exempt from them, everyone else had to stay at home, Dana Nessel dismissed those complaints as, quote, white folks outraged because they can't go golfing, and so on. Dana Nessel may be the worst attorney general in the country, and there's stiff competition in that category. So it was just a matter of time before Dana Nessel tried to invalidate the First Amendment. Now she is doing that. Nessel is threatening to imprison the editors of the conservative news organization Big League Politics for the crime of reporting the news. That site has posted audio recordings of poll workers in Michigan. Nessel claims their report is, quote, misleading. That's a crime now in Michigan, apparently. And just in case that wasn't clear, Nessel warned Big League Politics that, quote, failure to comply will result in criminal prosecution. So if you disagree with Dana Nessel, you will go to jail. That's the new third world standard in Michigan. What's interesting is that other news organizations have said virtually nothing about this. CNN isn't complaining about it, neither is the Washington Post or the New York Times. They love authoritarianism as long as their team is benefiting from it. We don't like it, no matter who's in charge. Maybe Dana Nessel should fight someone her own size. Instead of terrorizing an independent website, why doesn't Dana Nessel try that with us? Go ahead, Dana Nessel. See how that goes. Good luck.